This is a tutorial for a twisted grip handspring, so you should already have like some sort of a butterfly or a D, an extended butterfly, maybe even like a true grip Aisha, just to make sure that you feel strong enough in the bottom arm and you've got that push with the bottom arm and the pull with the top arm. They're really important points before you start this move. And also make sure you've done a shoulder warm up, okay? So we're going to get started. We're just standing next to the pole. Both palms are facing backwards, so really exaggerate the hands just for now. And then we're going to tip the torso forwards. And as I do that, this inside hand comes back to the pole, just like that. So we're just going to step to the side a couple of times, either side, just to get that feeling of where the hand needs to be. So do it with me now if you're not already joining in. Just from side to side, there. Okay? So you already know what an Aisha looks like. I'm going to go upside down, take my legs into a V. It's essentially this position, but upside down, and you're in a twisted grip with the top hand. Obviously, if that was reversed. So there's a few points to consider when you do this move. So the first one, we're just going to get into that position. So as I said before, both palms are facing backwards. So inside hand is reaching up the pole. That's going to be the arm that pulls. The bottom arm is going to be the one that pushes. But what I want to do from here, as you can see, this outside arm is crossing in front of my body, and that's really important, because if you're like already like this, it's a little bit harder to get the move. So we're going to go from this position all the way around to this position, and that's where we're going. And as you can see then, my head, it wasn't touching the pole like this, and I don't want yours to either, and that's how we know whether we're doing the pull and whether we're doing the push. So let's go and try that the other side. So we've got palms facing backwards, hands on to there, and then from there come away. You can see my body coming away from the pole to there. So that's the direction you're going. So usually when I teach this in person, I'll be able to come and guide your hips, which is actually really valuable. So if there's anyone around who can support you, then that would be a good way to do it. I'll show you how to get them to support you. So if you were there, for instance, that person would be standing there, just ready to go. It's just, they're not lifting you, they're just going like that with your hips. Really, really straightforward process. So I'm going to show you what this kick looks like now. So I'm going to put the inside arm first, make sure I've got a good strong grip, and then from there you can use this leg as a little bit of a swing, and you really want to kick it right up, but I want you to pay particular attention to what my hips are doing as I go up now. So a big swing to there, and then we're just going to step out the way we came, just so we've got that clear pathway to work from. Okay, so as you swing, the leg comes across the body, it goes out, 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 and obviously all the way around. And we're going to go straight over to that other side now. So hand back to there, hand on. So already taking that little step away, just so I know that I'm not going to hit my head on the pole or anything like that. I'm going to take a little swing with that inside leg, so forward, big lift up to there, and then I want to step out the way I came. And that's twisty grip handspring. Have a little play with it. I'm going to make a few combinations with this, so get this down in isolation and then go and visit the combinations.